Hello everybody! Welcome to my double bass and body training. I am very happy to share with you this method I built for myself and for people who loves to play double bass and who likes to train the body. You can put comment and follow me on my channel. I hope you will enjoy. See you! Hello everybody! Okay, today one exercise inspired by Petraki method. I show you the left hand. I show you the legs. Tension in the legs. Don't do like that. No. Okay? And go up as you can. Okay, we go slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now, let's try this exercise with a little bit of music. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Congratulations! So that's all for today. See you tomorrow for another exercise. Bye bye!